The Amazon rainforest is the largest rainforest found in South America with 1.4 billion acres of dense forests. It has 4,100 miles of winding rivers. It is home to 427 mammal species, 1,300 bird species, 378 reptile species, and 400 amphibian species. Rainforest plays a crucial role in keeping our carbon dioxide levels in check. It is often referred to as the lungs of the planet. The forest produces 20% of the oxygen in our planet's atmosphere. Sadly, deforestation has seen up to 17% of the forest has been lost in the last 50 years, endangering our beautiful Amazon animals and their habitats. This has an effect on our climate and the planet we live on. We must all do our bit for our environment and respect our planet. Hello everybody, this is an interesting fact file for you. Today we're going to talk about my favourite creature in the Amazon that reminds me of my very own cat, the jaguar. Key facts. The size of the the height of the jaguar is 68 to 76 centimetres tall. 112 to 185 centimetres long, and the tail is 45 to 75 centimetres long. Finally, for the weight. A male's weight is 57 to 113 kilograms, and a female's is 46 to 91 kilograms. Diet. The jaguar's diet is ground-dwelling mammals, that livestock on fish, small reptiles, and amphibians. Habitat. The jaguar lives in a variety of habitats, from dense jungles and scrubland to reed thickets and shoreline forests. It even inhabits open countries, but needs a reliable supply of water as well as sufficient cover in the form of long grass or rocky outcrops to hunt successfully. Finally, for the last facts, jaguar and man. The jaguar has a reputation as a man-eater, and there are many hunter tales of men being followed for mile after mile through the forest by a solitary jaguar, which eventually fades away as silently as it appears. In fact, this behaviour suggests the jaguar was escorting the men off its territory. If it had been hunting them, it would have plenty of chances to attack. These are all the interesting facts about the jaguar, which is my favourite creature of the Amazon rainforest. Thank you for listening. Hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.